Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is the 13 pieces rechargeable cordless screwdriver by Ironmark. The purpose of this video, I'm going to open it and see what's inside, and then I'm going to change out my AC blower motor out of my GMC Sierra and see if this have enough torque to get that changed out. That being said, let's check it out. Here it is. So I actually pay $12 for this thing, and it is $22 on eBay if you're looking for this one. First of all, let's go ahead and charge it up because it's going to take 3 to 5 hours to charge it up. So it does comes with an adapter or extension right here, and then it comes with the slider or flat hairs bit over there with the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 millimeter. And then on this side, it comes with the Phillips 1, 2, 3, and then the T comes with the T10, T15, T20. So that's what they are. It comes with it plus the charger. So in this case, I can't get that job done on my GMC because it don't have the nut driver. I think I'm going to use 8 or 9 millimeter on the nut driver for mine. So probably this one will work. But if you're expecting to use flat hair or Phillips or torque, it's not going to work. So in my case, I have to find some adapter or some other tool. The point here is to see if it has enough torque to get that done. Okay, 10 hours later. I was waiting for a green light come on somewhere here, but it didn't come on, so it's been on here all night, and let's see if it works. Alright, let's do this. And that over there, it needs an extension, so I can do it right now. So right now it's actually 3 more screw over there, this one over here, and there's 2 more up there. So I'm gonna get this one with the extension. Out. I don't think I can get this one out. Let's see. It's not easy. Okay, that one's out with the extension. Let's see what else. One more. That one I cannot get it out with this one. It's too deep up there. Okay, so this one should get the job done. Wow, that top screw it's pain in the butt to get it off. All right, let's put the new one back in here and tighten it back down with the tool. Okay, let's tighten down. Okay, the job it is perfectly finished. This little thing it did a very good job. Okay, one more thing. Let's see if the 3.5 inch screw over here will go down here in this one. Look at this. It did. That means this thing it is an animal. Now let's try one of the 1.5 inch long. That is finished. Do another one. Oops. Okay. Finally, let's take him out. Alright, this gets us to the end of the video. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video or helpful for you. If it is, don't forget to hit like. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you again. Until next video. Bye bye.